Hey there, have you ever felt like life's moving too fast and you're just struggling to keep up? What if I told you that you could slow down, calm your mind, and truly enjoy each moment, no matter how chaotic things get? Today, we're diving into mindfulness, the practice of being fully present and finding peace within. Stick around because I have a few important questions for you later, and I'd love your input on what to explore next. Let's start with the basics. Mindfulness is all about focusing on the here and now. It's not about clearing your mind of thoughts. That's impossible. It's about noticing those thoughts without judgment. Think about your daily life. Are you often distracted while eating, working, or spending time with loved ones? Mindfulness helps you break free from distractions and truly experience life as it unfolds. Getting started with mindfulness is simpler than you might think. Let's try this together. 1. Close your eyes. Unless you're watching this while walking, then keep them open. 2. Breathe in and out slowly. Feel the air entering your nose, filling your lungs, and leaving your body. 3. Notice your thoughts. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Now, let me ask you, what are the biggest challenges you face when trying to focus on the present moment? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. Why practice mindfulness? Here are just a few life-changing benefits. Reduce stress and anxiety. Better focus and concentration. Improved emotional resilience. A deeper sense of gratitude for life's little moments. Which of these benefits do you want to experience the most? Let me know below, and it'll guide you on how to achieve it. I'm here to help you on your journey of self-discovery and growth, but I want to hear from you. Do you want more videos on meditation techniques, tips for reducing anxiety, or maybe daily habits for a calmer life? Drop your ideas in the comments. Your feedback shapes the direction of this channel, so don't hold back. Before you go, erase a quick challenge. For the next 3 days, practice mindfulness for 5 minutes each day. It could be during your morning coffee, your evening walk, or even while brushing your teeth. Tell me how it goes. I'd love to celebrate your progress with you. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on calmness, self-growth, and mindfulness, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Together, we're building a space to discover the real you. And don't forget, this channel is for you. So, tell me in the comments what topic you'd like me to cover next. Let's grow together.